Hey guys, welcome to 98 Surfwood Circle in San Rafael, located on Marin's sunny side and close to everything that makes San Rafael so special. Let's go take a look. As you move through the home, you'll notice the comfortable flow of the living spaces and the natural light throughout. The layout offers flexibility for both everyday living and entertaining. Step outside and you'll find a beautiful patio, an outdoor kitchen that's perfect for hosting family and friends, and a hot tub where you can unwind and enjoy the San Rafael beautiful evenings. It's easy to see why homes in Seaview are so sought after, combining a beautiful setting with convenience to all San Rafael has to offer. Well, that's 98 Surfwood Circle, offering the best of Marin County. If you would like to take a look, I sure would love to show you. So contact me and we'll take a tour.